We can either help patients if they have a really narrow arch by tipping their teeth up and expanding the size of their jaw and allowing their tongue to set in a lower, more natural position. Or we can also make them a device like this one here that pulls the patient's jaw forward and keeps their tongue out of their airway while they sleep, which helps prevent that snoring as well as sleep apnea. And by doing that, you make yourself a lot healthier as a person and also make your partner happier as well. Thanks for stopping by.